It's my turn, right, Mr. Daddy? Hi guys, welcome back. This is Pranav. Today we're going to review this toy, but where did my brother go, Vishnu? Where did he come from? From here. Today we're going to be reviewing this toy, Super Stadium Baseball Game. Let's see how it looks like. Okay. Wait a minute, I gotta turn it over. I think there are some things to assemble, like players and stickers. And there's a book that we can read to put it together. And it also has the rules to play. Now let's start assembling. Now we unpacked everything. Here are the stickers. This must be the cutest bat ever. And the cutest balls. They're not really baseball balls, but they just use them as balls. These are so tiny, cute little players. So cute. So cute. Oh look, we have a scorecard and rules. Finish the setup. And let's do it!
We're done with setup and it's actually pretty straightforward. This is how you swing the bat or the ball. And you can use this button for special kind of pitches like curve ball, splitter, cutter, change ball, screw ball, and a lot more. If you hit the ball and it gets in one of these, they are pretty easy to understand. If it gets in here, it's a double. You move two bases. Single, one base. Triple, you can move three bases. Out is out. To go back to dugout. This is your team's dugout, and if the ball gets outside of the stadium, it's a home run. So this. Okay, these three boxes are important. The center one is for strike and the other two are for ball. If a ball gets into the strike zone for 3 times, then the batter is out, and each time the ball gets in here, you need to move the strike pin to the next slot. Same thing with these two boxes, it's for ball. If the ball gets in one of these, then you move the pin on the ball section to the next slot, and if the batter gets 4 of these, then he gets a free pass to the next base. Each time your batter gets out, you need to move this pin to the next slot. So once your pin is here, it means all your 3 batters are out. That's when you switch the board and give the innings to the other player.
Playing. Vishnu, are you ready to throw the ball? Yes, of course. Okay, ready? There you go. Oh, I missed. Vishnu, 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 Vishnu. What did that do?
Okay, next shot.
Vishnu, Vishnu.
No! What does it mean?
Means the fielder got it.
Ah.
And you said it. Ball. Going to take it again. I'm going to move it.
Yes!
Oh, fielder got it.
Out.
Okay. Daddy out. It's time to go.
2.
Alexa, are you ready, Daddy? Get Ready to get out. Ball.
Home run.
Huh?
Isn't it home run? It's at the stadium, right?
Yeah. Stadium.
Oh, you know what? It went here in out, so it's a out.
Daddy's out. Daddy got out 2 times. Daddy.
Yes.
All of your players had gone. You're out and your score is 0. Now it's my turn.
I'm gonna get you.
No, you won't. Wait.
1, 2, 3. Ball.
Is that a bad thing or what?
Ready?
Go!
Out.
I hope I won't get out 2 times. I'm gonna get double.
You ready?
Wait, that's triple?
Yeah, triple. So your player goes from 1, 2, and 3.
Wait, why did it get stuck in the
Magic.
It's magnetic force. This is my one. It's my turn, right, Mr. Daddy?
Vishnu, hit. Come on, you can do it. Ready? Good shot.
What is that? This is awesome, guys. We can play it forever. It's so fun because it's a 2-player game. I can play with my brother, dad, mom, or friends. Easy to bat, easy to ball, and easy to get these guys out and put it somewhere else. Easy to fill and easy to get out. I think I need to learn baseball rules really well. Even though you don't know all of the baseball rules, you can still buy and play because it's so easy. I can play this a lot of time, and every time I'm gonna beat my dad. We can win this game. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye. Bye.
Oh, where did you guys go? There you are.
That's not again. It's so fun. Bye. See you next time. Bye.